Scangrip presents the most comprehensive and sophisticated range of lighting solutions in the world for the painting industry. Designed with special LED technology with unique CRI Plus value, the work lights are made for accurate and reliable color match. This new generation of lighting is perfect for any paint, polish, cleaning, or prep zone operation and increases the quality and finish of each working operation. Correct color match reduces the rate of time-consuming and costly rework. The new, unique all-daylight function allows you to choose between 5 different color temperatures, ranging from warm, 2500 Kelvin, to cold, 6500 Kelvin, to customize the light to the specific colors. The pin lights are useful for inspection and detection of small scratches, pinholes, and swirl marks. The iMatch 2 headlamp with sensor is perfect for any detailing job and illuminates your entire field of view. The range includes 2 handheld work lights with belt clip, always ready at hand for quality check between prep zone operations. The new multi-match range is dimmable, extremely sturdy and waterproof, and perfect to illuminate larger working areas. The new patented Scangrip power solution with exchangeable batteries provides unlimited availability to light. The outstanding multi-match products have Bluetooth light control with extended functionalities and a built-in power bank. For the paint booth, Scangrip offers explosion-proof work lights with high CRI Plus value for effective inspection and quality check. For more information, visit us at www.scangrip.com.